Hello and welcome to My SJN Hub tutorial video. Here I'm going to explain quickly how to use your new SJN Hub. So first thing you want to do is go to our website, sjnaustin.org, which if you found this video, you should already be at. You can click on My SJN Hub. It will take you to our new page where you can now log in and create your account. So if you are a new parishioner, you're going to log in and create your account and set up your family. If you are an existing parishioner, you're going to log in, create your account, and then you'll be able to see your family that's already registered within the parish. So first thing you want to do is go to your login right here, click login. If you are brand new or existing, everyone needs to sign up. So you're going to click sign up. Once you're here, you're going to fill out your information and you're going to click create account. Once you click create account, you're going to receive an email just like this. It will be from the Diocese of Austin and it will be ministry platform. This is the brand new database that the Diocese of Austin has brought on board, and all the parishes are changing over to this new platform. So once you receive this email, you're going to click finish account setup. It will take you through the process of creating your password, and then you will be redirected back to here so you can log in. Once you log in, you can then see your account. So I'm going to go back to that page and we're going to log in. So once you finish your password, and it'll take you back to the login, and I'm going to log in. So it's going to look just like this. You'll see your name and you'll see log out and my profile. When you click on my profile, you can see all of your information here. You can add in social sign-ins. If you're on Facebook or Twitter, if you want to connect anything, you can do that. You can change and edit your password, and of course, return to the application. What you can also do by being having your own account, you will now get to see your household. So when you scroll down this page, which we're still on My SJN Hub, but this time I'm logged in, I can now see my household. So here I can edit my household. I can add a household member. I can change my address. I can edit any of my information. So, and I can edit each person. If for some reason you make a mistake and you say, oh, I need to delete someone, then you need to contact the front office and let us know, because we're the only ones who can actually delete. But you can edit the people that you have in here. Once you have created this and you can see your household, once you are part of any groups, you will be able to eventually see those as well. So that's all you have to do. And just make sure that anytime you are logged in, log out before you leave. But one of the cool features is once you're logged in, you can scroll down here to the bottom of the page and you can look for events, groups, opportunities, see our calendar, ways to give, and then coming soon, faith formation registration. So let's just say you want to look at our opportunities. Well, upcoming June 7th, Alpha is going to be online and in person here at St. John Newman. So you can say, oh, you know what? I want to check that out. So you click on see details. And down here, because I'm already logged in, it's going to fill it out for me. So now I can just type in a message, interested, please give me a call. Here's my number. Whatever I need to do, I can add that to here, and then I can hit submit response. This response goes directly to the primary contact, and they will get back to you. When you're done, you can go back to your opportunity search and look for more amazing opportunities either coming up, or we have opportunities that are ongoing year-round that you can sign up for. Again, if you have any questions, please call our office. So now let's go back to the hub. One more thing, the tutorial will always be available here, just in case you need to reference. But I'm going to go ahead and log out, return to the application. It takes me back to the hub. And then I can also look at the different options that you see here that are things going around the parish. And most importantly, please click on online giving. We also, along with the brand new database system, we have a brand new look to our existing Vanco payment system. So if you're already an online donator, you can continue donating as usual, or you can come in here and log in and update your donations, or sign up for your donations for a first time. And of course, these can be ongoing donations, or you can make it a one-time donation, or any kind of ongoing donation you would like. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any questions, again, please reach out to us at the office or communications@sjnaustin.org. Thanks for watching.